Hello, young innovators. Welcome to yet another video of ATL Lab Equipment video series. Today, we are talking about temperature sensors with a special focus on one of the most popular ones for DIY electronics, the LM35 temperature sensor. Let's dive in. These sensors are essential for accurate temperature control and safety in a wide range of applications. One commonly used temperature sensor is the LM35. The LM35 is a small, affordable, and easy to use analog temperature sensor designed specifically to output temperature in degrees Celsius. It's popular among hobbyists and engineers because it's accurate, doesn't need any calibration, and has a linear voltage output that's directly proportional to the temperature. The LM35 outputs a voltage that increases by 10 millivolts for every degree Celsius. For example, at 25 degrees Celsius, the LM35 would output 250 millivolts or 0.25 volts. This simplicity makes it ideal for projects with microcontrollers like Arduino, where you can directly measure the temperature by reading the analog voltage. Let's see how to use the LM35 in a simple circuit. All you need are three connections. Connect the first pin to the power source, typically 5 volts. Connect the second pin to the analog input on your microcontroller, like the Arduino's A0 pin. And finally, connect the third pin to ground. Once connected, you can write a simple code to read the voltage from the analog pin, convert it into temperature, and display it in degrees Celsius. Dear students, scan the QR code on screen to access the Arduino code for the LM35 temperature sensor. So, where would you use the LM35 sensor? Since it's accurate and easy to use, it's perfect for DIY projects like creating a digital thermometer, building a home temperature monitoring system, or even monitoring the temperature inside a greenhouse. The benefits of using an LM35 sensor are its low cost, simplicity, and accuracy, which make it perfect for both beginners and experienced electronics enthusiasts. That's a quick overview of the LM35 temperature sensor. It's a versatile and beginner-friendly sensor that makes temperature measurement easy for any project. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you.